Learning new skills is extremely important for your own personal development. That is why I have taken it upon myself to learn to juggle. Now with over 60 years experience of juggling, I feel that it is the right time to teach you how to juggle yourself. What is juggling? Juggling involves throwing up objects in the air and then catching them again. And then once that is done, you need to throw them up again and then you catch them. This process goes on and on until either you drop all of the items accidentally on the ground or your body drops to the ground through sheer exhaustion of throwing the objects in the air and then catching them again. Now that you understand the concept of juggling, let's begin juggling yourself. So let's get some items to juggle with. So I've got my items ready. Now, of course, you don't have to juggle with knives. You can juggle with various other objects such as shards of glass or chainsaws. However, for ease of demonstration, I'm just going to show you how to juggle with these knives. What's that? I've just been informed that I won't be able to show you how to juggle with these knives because apparently they're too dangerous for YouTube. So unfortunately I'm going to have to juggle with something else instead. I'm actually devastated I won't be able to juggle with these for you on camera. That's such a letdown. It's not fair. Well, thankfully, I've got some backup items to juggle with. Here they are. Are you serious? What's wrong with these? It's not as though I'll be running with them. Well, I guess I'll just have to juggle with these then. It's not what I would have picked, but I don't have a choice. I'm limited now with things I'm allowed to juggle. So first, you'll just need to find some space where you feel free to juggle in, and also in an area that you feel comfortable in as well. That's also important. I have successfully found somewhere where I can juggle, and also I'm reasonably comfortable here as well, so that is also a bonus. So to begin juggling, what you're going to want to do is to pick up a ball. Just like that. That is the first step to juggling, so you're almost there. Now, you'll need to throw the ball in the air, like this. Notice that the ball fell to the ground. I didn't catch it, because I haven't taught you that yet, so you didn't know to catch it. That was a mistake on my part. I need to teach you to catch. So, pick up the ball again, and then catch it. I don't know why I didn't catch that. I think it's stage fright. So don't worry, that ball's gone. It's no more. But thankfully we have another ball to work with. So this time you've got to try and catch it. That didn't work either. Perhaps you need to throw the ball up a little less, and then it will be easier to catch. There we go. Just like that. It works. Let's do it again to make sure it wasn't beginner's luck. There we go. I've caught it again. And one more for good measure. As you can see, juggling is not easy, but just getting the throwing and catching, just like that, then you're halfway there. Now that we can successfully juggle with one ball, we need to try with two balls, like this. So what you're going to want to do is to throw the balls up in the air. I forgot to teach you to catch both the balls as well. I've taught you to catch one ball, but not two balls. That's a whole new level of difficulty. It took me 15 years to learn how to catch 2 balls at once, so hopefully it won't take you as long, but who knows. So let's throw the 2 balls in the air and see if we can catch them. That didn't work. Let's try again. Why isn't it working? This is so frustrating. I'm just going to try one more time. It was a bit windy, so that's why I think I didn't catch the balls properly. No! Why didn't it work? I was so close. I had them in my grasp, but I didn't catch them. I think I'm not comfortable enough. I think that's what you need to do in order to be good at juggling. You have to feel comfortable. I don't feel as comfortable as I would like. So I'm going to improve my comfortability and then I'll be able to juggle successfully. I am now much more comfortable, so I can continue to juggle again. Here goes. Did I catch them? No, I don't think I did. Oh, I don't know what's going wrong today. Barely catching the balls at all. Doesn't really help you, does it? This isn't really helping. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I'm not as good a teacher as I thought. Let's just try again. That didn't work. Let me just have a think. One sec. Just give me a minute. Just thinking. I'm getting sleepy. Oh. So I hope after showing you all of these techniques, you are now able to juggle yourself. It might take some of you a bit longer to learn how to juggle, so you might need to practice a little bit to get to the level that I'm at. But for those of you who have watched the video and can now juggle everything all at once, congratulations, and you're welcome. I'm going to go now and continue juggling knives, because that's what I'm best at. So I'll see you later. Goodbye. Just gonna get the knives now, so that I can juggle them. See you. Where did I put them? Don't know where I put the knives.